I'm going to quickly demonstrate a set of OAuth 2 login mock APIs that are shortly going to become part of the WireMock Cloud public template library. These are for this set of common login services that are often integrated into SaaS applications and so on. This is a demo application that I built, which just allows you to log in with one of these services and then see the login information at the end. So I'm going to walk through a few of them and then talk a little bit about the mocks behind them. So, for instance, if I want to log in with an Okta-like service, then I get this. I click on the link to kick it off. I get this login page, which is provided by the mock and is a fake page, but it allows me to enter some information which is going to get used later in the login process. So if I put my information in, doesn't matter what password I use, and hit sign in, then you can see we get this confirmation page. So I'm logged in. Most of these services produce an ID token and an access token. Some of them just produce an access token. Some of them produce an opaque access token, and some of them produce JSON web tokens, so they do vary a bit. Likewise, some of them have got different structured URLs to others, and some will only provide user information via a user info endpoint versus via the ID token. This one, Okta, does provide an ID token. Everything's JSON web token. So as we can see, we get the information that I passed in at the beginning gets encoded into the token and then returned at the end of the flow, and likewise from the user info endpoint. And just to contrast with that, if I go to Facebook, then I get a similar looking screen, but because Facebook doesn't do ID tokens, we just get the output directly from the user info endpoint. And as we can see, the shape of the data is a little bit different. So all of these mocks are quite similar, but they line up with the sort of specific idiosyncrasies of each of these login services. And we can go into, so this is the list of API mocks in my account that these are running against. Like I say, these are going to become templates in the library fairly soon, so you'll be able to create your own instances in WireMock Cloud, or pull them using the CLI into a local project and run them locally. And I can go into one of these and check the request log, and I can see the requests that were made during my test session just there. One other useful thing as well is each of these has got a root HTML page that just outputs the OAuth configuration information. So if you want an easy way to get at this information for integrating an app that you want to test, then this is a good way to do it.